everyone, welcome to Ethnic Zuri. Today we are bringing the Bandhani dress materials in the satin cotton fabric. Before that, we are taking the lot for the next winner of our giveaway plan. Today is Monday, so we will be taking the lot and choosing the winner in the last section of this video. So stay tuned till the end of this video. And today we are bringing the Bandhani collections, and Bandhani is one of the famous craft of India. And these are famous among most of the states of India, across most of the Indian states. And these today we are bringing the authentic original Bandhani. Many Bandhani prints are available in the market, but today we are bringing the original tie and dye Bandhani from the Gujarat. Gujarat is the state from where the original Bandhani is coming, and these are made by the Kutchi families of Gujarat. Today we are bringing 7 colors in same pattern. All of them are having a 25% Diwali offer also. This is the first color. It's a dark grape color. In the video it may be seen as red color, but it's not red. It's dark grape color. And the Bandhani pattern, this is the closer view of the pattern. Back side we have this pattern. And the top fabric length is 2.5 meters and the width is around 45 inches. This is the complete combination. The dupatta also is cotton fabric, having this tie and dye original Bandhani pattern. And the bottom is cotton fabric, having the Bandhani pattern in the lower area. The price for this one is 1400, but we have a Diwali offer for this collection. So after discount we have 1050 only for this collection. This is the next color. It's olive green shade. Price is 1050 after discount. This one is a beautiful pink shade, having a white color Bandhani pattern all over the top and the dupatta. The bottom comes like this. Price is 1050 including GST. Shipping is free all over India. Next is a very pretty orange shade, having this same pattern as we have seen for the last designs. And this is the bottom, and the price is 1050. Next is a very classy navy blue shade, having the same Bandhani pattern. Price is 1050. Next is a green color, having the same Bandhani pattern. The price is 1050. Next is a beautiful violet shade, and the bottom also comes like this. Price is 1050 including GST. Shipping is free all over India. I hope you like today's Bandhani collections. To purchase these collections, the links are given in the description box as per the color wise. So please click that so that you will be directed to the respective pages. Or please download our app Ethnic Zuri and search for the category Bandhani, or in the suits category also you can see these collections. And today is Monday. We can choose the winner of our giveaway plan. So the winner is Sajida from Malappuram. So congrats Sajida, thanks for participating in our giveaway program. Those who are watching our video for the first time, we are announcing the giveaway plan once again. We have a weekly plan of giveaway. We are choosing the winner from the people who are sharing our videos in FB and YouTube. So please do share our videos, and please comment in the comment box with your name and location, and please also mention as shared. And please do support us by following our Facebook and Instagram pages, and please subscribe our YouTube channel Ethnic Zuri and click the bell icon button to get all the latest videos from our site. Thanks for watching this video. Till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.